Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about Power BI Workspaces. So let's start. Now when we talk about Power BI Workspaces, we have two kinds of workspaces. One is My Workspace and the other one is Workspaces. So when we want to collaborate and share our content, or when we want to work on the web, like when we want to share our reports, we have two workspaces. So there are two options available. So let's say I want to work on something and I want to save it online and view it on the web, but I don't want to collaborate with anyone. I can share it in my workspace. So it's a personal workspace where I essentially save my content and I work there. Only I have access to that workspace, so it's not accessible to other people. I can share content with other people who have a pro license, but those people need to have a pro license. I can't share it with anyone, and I can only share it with people in my organization. Now with workspaces, let's say I want to collaborate and I'm building a report. I can create a workspace where I can invite other users, and then I can give them member role or viewer role or contributor role or admin role, depending on the kind of privileges I want to give them. Multiple users will be able to access this workspace depending on the kind of rights I give to them. And each member needs a Power BI Pro or a premium per user license. But in premium workspaces, I can also invite other users in my organization who do not have a pro license. So the premium workspace does give me the capability to invite other users. With the workspaces, also the data flows are available, which are not available in my workspace. Another thing I wanted to point out is that you can only share workspace content with people who are in your organization. So let's say you want to collaborate with other people and you want to share content. It makes sense that you have like a work account or a university account. So for example, if I have a Gmail account, what does it mean? I can share it with all the people who have that Gmail account. That does not make sense. So that's why the workspaces are limited to the ability to share content with people in your organization. So in this video we will also quickly go into and create a workspace, and I'll show you some more content. So let's start. So I'm already logged into the Power BI service, and on the left you can see, so when I click on workspaces, I can see my workspace, and then I can see the other workspaces. So I can create a workspace, and when I click on create a workspace, I can give it, so I can say test 1 2 3, and so create it for demo purposes. And then I can either set it as a, so then I can look at the advanced option, and it can, where is that? So I can select the license mode. It could be a pro or a premium user, and then I've got the contact list, so that I could create. But let's say I just create this workspace. So test 1 2 3 has been created. So here I could create reports, I could create paginated reports, scorecard, dashboards, data sets, data flows. So as I was talking, I can create data flows here, but let's go to my workspace. So I won't be able to, I won't have, it's a bit of a restricted list. So you can see I don't have that option of creating a data flow here. So this is one of the differences between my workspace and workspaces, and also that it's very specific to me and my workspace, and I save content and work here. But if I want to collaborate, I have to create a workspace which is not my workspace. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like to take me any if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.